So I'm here to make a smoothie, a berry smoothie. These are blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. And I have this little portion of dragon fruit. So I'm gonna add that. And then a kiwi with all these advertised 20 vitamins and fiber, which we really need for digestive system. I'm going to add a little bit of milk here. And then some, I love cinnamon. And then since I'm using this NutriBullet, I should be really adding a lot more milk. Right, and here we go. Hopefully this will all fit. Hopefully, we shall see. There we go. Yay. Okay. I have my NutriBullet here. Just move you over here. Okay. It's the NutriBullet. Turned out. Okay. All right. It's very not liquidy, but not super solid. I guess kind of like somewhere in between. Spoon it out. The dragon fruit and the kiwi, I think, make the berries less, I guess, kind of acidic. So it's really good. This would be really good also to make an akaya, like with oatmeal and bananas. Not bad. Definitely gonna do this again. Sometimes I make this with just, blueberries and raspberries with milk and honey, and that you can taste the berries more. The dragon fruit and kiwi make it to where you can't taste the berries as much. You can still taste them there, but they're not the predominant flavor. So, this is a good way to wake up. Enjoy. This is very good. Way to start the morning.